Hi guys, short video here about what you can do if the screensaver on a TV which has Google TV on it is playing pictures from an account which you have already removed. Maybe you have added an account and first you thought it's good to have it there, to have all the possibilities, but after some time you realized that it's also showing your pictures, maybe personal pictures, as a screensaver, something which you don't want to show to everybody, and then probably you removed the account. Like here in this case, you can see I'm using a different Google account now. That's not my main account. It's one which I'm using for such devices where I don't have a password like Google TV or a tablet, where I'm just playing some weather information. And on this account I don't have any personal pictures, but when I click here in the main screen on screensaver, or I just don't do anything for a long time, maybe 5 minutes or so, then it starts playing the screensaver and showing all the pictures of my account which I had previously on this TV. I've really done everything here and nothing worked. The thing is, when you ask Google for that, it gives you quite some assistance, for example clearing cache and even factory reset. But of course factory reset probably as a last resort option would work, but who wants to really do a full factory reset after you have set everything as you want? But there's actually a much easier solution for that. The thing which you really need to do is not on your TV, it's actually on your Google account. So go to your PC, open a web browser, go to myaccount.google.com and then go down to security, and then also go a little bit down till you find a section which says your connections to third-party apps and services, and that's where we are here. If you gave a lot of authorizations, then it's maybe easier to restrict this here. For example, Google Photos, of course that's the Google Photos which are displayed, so we click on that and now we can see that it's only 3 apps, and one of them is called Assistant on Android TV, which means actually Google TV. That's exactly what's the problem here. You can even check the details and it says access given December 7. Yeah, that's exactly 1 day after I bought the new TV. And so it's a really good thing. It has a button here which you can use to remove all access. That's what I want. Of course it will remove everything from this account, from this TV, but that's exactly what I want. So I click on confirm and now it's removed. Says Android TV no longer has access to your Google account. By the way, I've checked already on the TV and I can confirm that it really worked. It's not showing my personal pictures from this account anymore. So that's what you have to do. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.